Hi everybody, this is Riya from Aboutspace and I have with me Ritu from Aboutspace, and today Ritu is going to build a calm corner for you using some of Aboutspace's products. Make yourself a calm corner with plants, some unique decor, hobbies that interest you like painting, sketching, knitting, and keep them at eye level, some decorative planters with air purifying plants, some causes that you care about to think about them, some books. You need baskets to bring it all together and complete your space. And see if all the items that you've placed on your calming corner is making sense to you. Choose plants that need low maintenance like money plants, spider plants, peace lilies, succulents that add a very green effect to your corner. Don't forget to add seating and a rug to make it cozy and nice for you to feel relaxed and calm. Choose items that complement each other with colors, patterns, or themes. Make sure to add neutral colors that suit your style.